Okay, folks, we're back for yet another unboxing of comics, DC Comics, from Lunar Distribution. Here's the box in question. There's a box of comics inside. It's wrapped in bubble wrap to keep it nice and safe and snug. Invoice taped to the top of it. Or not taped this time. Let's take a minute to appreciate the square, sharp corners on this box from Lunar Distribution. Okay, enough of that. This one's kind of heavy, so I guess there's a lot in there. By a lot, I mean a lot of bubble wrap, because that stuff's heavy. No. Okay. Enough silliness. Let's get to the comics. Here is Batman, the Audio Adventures Special. Kind of curious what this is. It's number 1. Let's look at the art. So there's different stories which have different art. So anyways, Batman the Audio Adventures. Looks pretty good. And since all comics are Batman now from DC, we have Batman the Imposter. This is a black label book. It is number 1. This is the regular cover. Right? Yes, regular cover. It's number 1. Let's look at the art. Looks pretty good, really. It's not the old school comic art like I like, but it still looks good. And here is Batman the Audio Adventures Special number 1 variant cover. So, here's regular, here's variant. Okay. And Batman Urban Legends number 8. This is the regular cover, part of the Fear State story arc. And here's the variant cover for that issue. Pretty awesome Azrael painting there. And into the box we go. Batman, the Imposter variant cover. And I'm very sure there's other variants that we didn't get. That's probably the B cover. Harley Quinn, the animated series. The Eat, Bang, Kill Tour, number 2. And Hardware, number 2. Here's I Am Batman, number 2. I'm Batman. That's the regular cover. Here is Blue and Gold. Of course, that's Blue Beetle and Booster Gold. And this has the $1 million debut of Buggles. Okay, that's number 3 of 8. Here is Challenge of the Super Sons, number 7 of 7. Daddy's Home. Future State Gotham. I did not know they were still doing this. Number 6. Here is I Am Batman, number 2. This is the cardstock variant cover. Happy. I'm Batman. Here is The Joker, number 8. This is the cardstock variant. Or it is a variant anyway. May not be. Maybe they're all cardstock. I don't know. Here's the other ones. Let's look. Yes, also cardstock. So they're the same price. And that price is $5.99. Here's regular cover for Joker number 8. It's got the She-Bane there. And then here's the variant, which you already saw. It's giving you a little side by side there. Okay. More comics from the box. Justice League Last Ride, number 6. Regular cover. Here is Pennyworth, number 3 of 7. Titans United, number 2 of 7. I like how they're alternating how I have to flip these over every time. That helps with the packaging. Gosh, they're good at that. Wonder Woman, number 780. Wonder Woman returns. Wonder where she's been. Off kissing Darkseid, according to my last video. Batman, 89, number 3. This is the Lee Weeks cardstock variant. Tabby. And get more out of the box. Here's another variant cover for Joker number 8. Only got one of those, keeping that for myself. Strange Adventures, number 12. Oh, 12. Alrighty. Here's the variant cover for that. Don't know how well you can see that. That's kind of cool. I like when they do this, where they have part of it with like matte, non-reflective. Kind of gives it a 3D effect. Kind of cool, huh? Here is Batman 89, number 3, regular cover. And last we have Batman Scooby-Doo Mysteries, number 3 of 12. This one sells good. Pretty good. Anyhow, that's our Lunar unboxing for the week. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.